Good morning all. So today we will discuss about that customer relationship management. So under this topic, the various subtopics is here. So one by one we will discuss quite elaborate. But today we will discuss about overview of relationship marketing, and coming days we will discuss on the basics of building relationship, types of relationship marketing, customer life cycle. So let's go for the today topic, customer relationship management and customer relationship marketing. So here we will discussions about the relationships. So one by one we will discuss quite elaborate. So what is meant by customers, what is meant by relationship, what is meant by marketing, and as well as the management. So we will talk about that meaning of relationships. That means they stand for relationships. So the between the C and M, that means customer and management or customer and marketing. So between the R, the standard for relationships. So in generally, so what is really meant by the expressions of relationship? Certainly, one would understand that is meant to be a personal relationship. But exactly what is a relationship between a customer and suppliers? So here must we understand a business person how much of importance you have to maintaining the relationship among the customers and as well as suppliers. So both are very important peoples in our business. We know very well about that. So when we talk about customer, we are maintaining the relationship to the customers. So automatically our company profit will be increased. Right? Then another node of suppliers. So we need for the product, maybe it may be as a raw material or a finished product, it depends on your business. So the supplier is also another one of the important person. He is going to supply the product to you. So then only you have to maintaining the relationship with the customers. In that aspect, we should maintaining the relationship for the both the peoples, customer and suppliers. Then relationship marketing marks a significant model change in marketing, a movement for the thinking especially in the terms of competitions and conflict towards thinking in the terms of mutual interdependency and cooperation. In relationship marketing is an integrated effort to identify, maintain and build a network with individual customers and to continuously strengthen to the network for a benefit to the both sides as well as the customers and suppliers through the interactivity, individualized and value added contract over the long period of the time. Next we go for the definition. According to Blip Kotler, the relationship marketing is the process of building long-term, trusting and win-win relationship with customers, distributors, dealers and suppliers. Over time, relationship marketing promises and delivery high quality efficient service and fair price to the other party. It is accomplished by strengthening economic, technical, and social ties between the member of two organizations or between the marketers and the individual customers. The flip quoter also is mentioned in their definitions. So how the relationships to be have maintaining the strong building teams. We would trust that. Even the customer want to trust that our organizations. Our business also want to trust that our suppliers. So we should maintaining the good relationships in our organizations. And we will move for the win-win relationship with customers. And as well as the win-win relationship with the distributors, dealers and suppliers. And we have to maintaining the relationship. So through in these three highlighted points, even the flip quoter also mentioned that. So we will deliver a good quality products to the customers and effective or excellent services to give them and fair price to our customers. So this is the way to maintaining for the relationship to our customers. If we are maintaining the good relationship in our customer and sense, our company economical growth, it automatically is good for going for is good. And some other technological supports. And we have to maintaining for the social ties between the two organizations. And as well as the marketers and every individual customers. We should maintaining for the good relationship among them. So here we want to focus for the three aspects of the areas. We are going to given for the high quality and effective excellent services and right or correct prices. So we are maintaining in these three specific aspects. Then we go for another one of topic, importance of the different parties. So as well as earlier we have discussed, the suppliers is very much of importance. We should maintain the relationship, a relationship to them, and employees, and distributors, dealers, and retailers. There are five peoples. The five different of parties are much more important to have maintaining the relationship to all the peoples. Then some of characteristics of relationship marketing. It focused on the partners and customer rather than on the company product. It puts more emphasis on the customer retention and growth than on customer attainment. It relies on the cross-functional terms rather than on departmental level work. It relies more on listening to the learning than on talking. So these are the characteristics is here. This and then another one the way of. So we should understand the relationship marketing. Some of objectives, we should understand the relationship of marketing. Then defining constructions, then instrumentations. So under the objectives, so we should maintaining the good relationship. In sense, we focused on the customer satisfaction, customer delight, share of customer, customer retention, then loyalty. So these 5 very important essential points. It should be maintaining the good relationship among the customer and as well as in our organization. So ultimately, it's very important. One of the things is the customer satisfaction. Other than customer is not visit again in your organization. So we try to satisfy the customer through our product or service, whatever it may be. Right? Then customer delight as well as share of customers. Maybe we're not going to give for the profit sharing, but we will try to give some kind of the shares to the customers. Even some of the discount sales, etc., etc. Such kind of the way we try to save the we try to save the money for the customers. Then it will be automatically help them as the customer retentions in our organizations. The customers again to visit in our organization. Then the loyalty. The 5 very essential, very important objectives to maintaining the good relationship marketing. Then defining constructions. We try to create the good trust and we will give for the commitment and we go for the cooperations. Then we will share the communications, that means informations. Then share the value. We try to reduce the conflict and power, non-optimistic behavior, interdependencies. So these are the points that are helping for that defining constructions in our organization. Then the instrumentations. So through in this way, we are maintaining the good relationships. Maybe we will use for the direct marketing or database marketing. Database marketing is nothing but we have to maintaining the information about the customers and we will send some kind of details regarding in our product, in our service or offer, etc., etc. We will give some update to the customers. So in that purpose, we are maintaining for the database marketing. Quality management, then service marketing, customer partnering. The customer become a partner in our organizations. So only the customer again to come to purchase a product in our organization. So these are the essential points, these are the essential areas are maintaining the good relationship in our organization. Thank you all. We will discuss another topic by tomorrow.